Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I'm super excited to share my thoughts on Matchbox Working Rigs MBX Flame Blaster, as it is a part of the 2025 Working Rig series and it is one of those larger sized Matchbox diecasts that really stands out. Now, let's dive into the detail of the Flame Blaster. The first thing that grabs your attention is the vibrant red color, with a few interesting numbers and letters on the body. As it has 8 wheels, which is a nice touch, and the best part is that this is a brand new tooling done in 2024. So you are now getting something fresh and innovative. When it comes to the functionality, I absolutely love the working model, such as Flame Blaster rotates 360-degree and the body can open and close, revealing even more details inside. But here's the catch. When I extend the blaster, it didn't roll as smoothly as I expected. It took a few tries to get it going. Or maybe it's the weight distribution, the wheels, or the surface I was rolling it on. However, once I close the extended version, it rolls pretty smoothly. If you happen to have one, try testing it out yourself and let me know how smoothly it rolls for you. So I managed to grab mine in store for just $5.99. But you can also find it on various online retailers like eBay or Amazon, depending on the seller price. For those who want the full experience, the MBX Flame Blaster is also available in 3-piece collector's bundle, which includes the Cement King HD, MBX Road Grader, and MBX Excavator. All these diecasts have unique styles and casting that makes them a great addition to any collection. Overall, I'm really happy with the casting, the color, and the working model. It's a fun addition to my collection, and I'm loving the details that have been put into it. So that's my review of the Matchbox MBX Flame Blaster. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and comment. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you next time.